your German car can do much more than you think. At German Hidden Car Tech, we uncover hidden features, secret settings, smart technology, and easy solutions for BMW, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, and Volkswagen. Discover what your car can really do. Subscribe now. It's free for you, but absolutely essential for us.
What if you could unlock more power, better response, and smoother performance in your Audi? Without spending money, without modifying the engine, and without going to a mechanic? What if just a couple of small adjustments could completely change how your car feels every time you drive it? Most Audi drivers believe performance upgrades require tuning, parts, or expensive modifications. But that's not always true. Modern Audi vehicles are already packed with advanced systems that control how the engine, gearbox, and throttle behave. And here's the key. Most of these systems are not fully optimized by default. They are set to balance comfort, emissions, and efficiency, not performance. That means there is hidden potential inside your car, waiting to be unlocked. Let's start with the first touch: Drive Select configuration. Every Audi has driving modes, but most drivers either leave the car in auto or switch randomly between modes. The problem is that auto mode constantly adapts and often softens the response to create a smoother ride. This reduces throttle sharpness, delays acceleration, and limits how quickly the engine responds. Now here's the change. Switch to dynamic mode. Immediately the car becomes more responsive. Throttle input is sharper, gearbox holds gears longer, and the engine feels more alive. But here's what most people don't know. Dynamic mode alone is not enough, because Audi allows deeper customization inside individual mode. And this is where the real performance gain starts. Inside individual mode, you can combine settings. For example, you can set the engine and transmission to dynamic, while keeping steering and suspension comfortable. This gives you performance where it matters without sacrificing daily usability. Now think about this. How many drivers actually configure individual mode properly? Almost none of them do. And that means they are driving with less performance than they could have every single day. Now let's go to the second touch: Throttle behavior. Modern Audi throttle is electronic. It doesn't respond directly to your foot. It interprets your input. If you drive gently most of the time, the system adapts and becomes less aggressive. Over time, this reduces responsiveness. The solution is not aggressive driving, it's controlled variation. Short, firm accelerations allow the system to recalibrate. The car starts responding faster, more directly, and more efficiently. And the difference is truly immediate. Now here's where everything connects. Your Audi is not static. Your Audi learns from you. If you choose to drive passively, it becomes passive. If you drive with intention, it becomes responsive. If you want to unlock more hidden performance and discover what your Audi is really capable of, consider subscribing. It's free for you, but it helps us bring more real content like this. Now here's the truth. Most drivers think their car is getting slower over time, but often the car is just adapting to inefficient habits. And once you understand this, you realize something powerful. You don't need more power. You need to unlock the power you already have. And in the next part, we'll go deeper into additional hidden adjustments and small changes that can improve acceleration, efficiency, and overall driving feel without touching the engine. Now that you've unlocked the first two changes, it's time to go deeper. Because what you've seen so far is just the surface. Your Audi has even more hidden behaviors that can dramatically change how it feels on the road. And the best part? You don't need tools, you don't need modifications, just awareness and a few precise adjustments. Let's start with something most drivers completely ignore: gearbox intelligence. Your Audi transmission is not just shifting gears, it is constantly learning. It adapts based on how you accelerate, how long you hold the throttle, and how often you demand power. Over time, it creates a pattern. If you drive gently most of the time, the gearbox shifts early to keep RPM low. This feels smooth, but it also reduces responsiveness. The engine stays in a lower power band, and acceleration becomes slower. Now here's the hidden trick. You can retrain it. By introducing controlled acceleration and holding gears slightly longer, the system begins to adapt again. It starts keeping gears engaged longer, improving power delivery and making the car feel more immediate. And this change doesn't take weeks. You can feel it within a few drives. Now let's move to another hidden performance limiter: start-stop system behavior. Most Audi vehicles automatically shut off the engine at stops to save fuel. But here's what many drivers don't realize. This system can interrupt driving flow and reduce responsiveness, especially in city traffic. When the engine restarts, there's a slight delay. Over time, this creates a less direct driving experience. Disabling start-stop in certain conditions can improve smoothness and perceived performance. The car feels more ready, more consistent, more connected. Again, not more power, better delivery. Now here's something even more subtle: steering and driver feedback. In many Audi models, steering settings are linked to drive modes. In Comfort or Auto, steering is lighter and less direct. This may feel easy, but it reduces connection with the road. Switching steering to a more dynamic setting increases precision. The car feels sharper, more controlled, and more responsive. And here's the key point: when the car feels more precise, you drive more confidently. And when you drive more confidently, the car performs better. Now let's talk about something almost nobody connects to performance: braking behavior. Smooth, progressive braking allows better weight transfer. This improves balance and prepares the car for acceleration. Sudden braking, on the other hand, disrupts flow and forces the car to rebuild momentum. Driving is not just about acceleration. It's about continuity, and continuity creates performance. Now here's where everything comes together. All these small changes don't increase horsepower, but they unlock it. They remove the invisible limits that your Audi has built over time based on your habits. And the result? A car that feels faster, smoother, and more alive. Now imagine this: two identical Audi cars, same engine, same model. One feels slow, delayed, disconnected. The other feels sharp, responsive, powerful. The difference is not the car, it's how the car is used. If you're discovering how much hidden performance your Audi actually has and you want more content like this, consider subscribing. It's free for you, but it helps us grow and bring more real insights. Now here's the final truth: your Audi is designed to adapt, but most drivers let it adapt in the wrong direction. Once you understand how to guide it, everything changes. You don't need upgrades. You don't need more power. You just need to unlock what's already there. And once you do that, your Audi doesn't just drive better. It feels like a completely different car.
Thanks for watching German Hidden Car Tech. There's always another feature waiting to be discovered. Subscribe and join us for more German car secrets. It's completely free for you, but essential for us. See you in the next video.